Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today let's try to understand what is data visualization in Python. This is very important topic in artificial intelligence. We covered this topic in AI project cycle. This is one of the very important stage for data exploration, right? It is used to identify pattern and trends on huge data. Data visualization is part of data exploration, as I said. So let's try to understand what all library you need to install, or without installation also how can you perform data visualization. कई बार हमारे पास ये लाइब्रेरी नहीं होती है. इस पर्पस के लिए हमें जो लाइब्रेरी चाहिए होती है मैटप्लॉटलिब, राइट. तो कई बार हमारे कंप्यूटर में वी फील सम डिफ़िकल्टी टू इंस्टॉल मैटप्लॉटलिब. So I'll show you how the same can be done on Google Colab, right? So let's understand what this library is. Matplotlib is library in Python for 2D plots of arrays. I hope you know what array is. Yes, I'm talking of NumPy arrays. So let us see how it works and how different types of charts can be created using this library. So one way is there, you have Matplotlib library installed in Python, or you can simply open browser, right, and there you can type Google Colab. Right. Now let me open a new notebook. As you can see, it opens Jupyter notebook. Here, first statement I am going to write is import. First statement I am going to type is import matplotlib .pyplot and give the variable name as plt, right. Then I am making bar graph for 5 students, right. So I need 5 students name. I am going to put it here. Just a minute. Then I am putting another name. And one more name, Shreya. Now their age. Right. Now there are 5 students, and all these 5 students I want to show different 5 colors. So I'll write here like red, blue, green, orange, and yellow. Right. Now I need to use the function plt.bar. Right. There I need to pass parameters name, then age, and then color of the bars equals to C. And simply the last statement is plt.show. Let us just run this code. It will take fraction of second, and very soon you are going to see the output. This way you can draw many other charts. All right, wait. This way you may draw many other charts also, right? You can see my bar graph. Can you see it? Yes. So names are being reflected as x-axis and age on my vertical axis, that is y-axis, and color as I have given here in there is a list C, right? So parameter color is storing the value for C, and this is how all the 5 bars in these 5 different colors, right? So it is very easy, things can be learned in very simple way also. So learn with Shweta. Happy learning, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. I'll show you some more different types of bar, different types of graph and charts you can draw using Matplotlib and Pandas library also. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe my channel. Happy learning.